I will do another full site editing program testing call number 24. So I have this then my development site here. On the other screen, I have then this test. So I'm just going to scroll down to where I start. So I have activated and Gutenberg 16.0 and the newest RC there. So I'm just gonna use the content I have in here already. I could, for instance, import this file. I believe I maybe imported it earlier, so it might be the same file. So we're gonna head to the site editor templates home. So I'm gonna put this over on the other screen here. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to dashboard, appearance, then editor, templates, and here I actually have two homes from earlier, so I'll just pick the one. I also see that it's going really slow here, maybe because I've used this in different ways earlier, so things are getting stacked on each other. I don't know, but we'll just go to home here. So this might be the one in use, so let's click into it. So I will then add, here's the query loop, and we're going to change the query loop pattern. One that doesn't use the featured image for the post. So I can choose this one, or I can choose this, for instance, or this one over here. I will choose the one right here. So this does not use the featured image in here. I can always add it in if I want by writing featured and just adding it in and pushing that in place. So that means all these will then be added. So I'm going to remove this again. Okay, so next step is number 7. So we're going to make this then the header menu show up as an icon with 3 lines instead of 2. So we're going to click into the menu. I have selected navigation here. So we have a navigation area. So I want that to show up with 3 lines instead of 2. And here is the icon for that. And it always wants to show up with that. So we'll just click like so. But can I place this differently on the screen? For instance, left, right. It seems like it kind of nudges up to the top of the navigation area. Is it possible to actually move it? As I said, left or right? It doesn't look like it. It looks like there's no option how I want that to be seen. So, okay, save changes. That's what I'm going to do. Say the home template and then the header. At the bottom of the template, create a footer template. Have a footer template in here. And that is to then contain full width layout and 3 columns. So I will then go here and footer. How about I just start blank? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just start blank here. Somewhere in here, I just want to add a blank footer. I'm actually not sure how to add a blank footer. Should I add a group and just change that to footer? If I remember correctly, that I can do. Footer. How about I just browse all? So template part. I'm going to create a new footer template part. Here's the template part, and where do I actually okay, here it is. I can start blank. So let's see where. Okay, here it is. Starting blank. I will just call it 3 columns, or full width 3 columns create. So full width layout using 3 columns using the apply patterns. Okay, so I'll add a pattern. How about pattern for footers? 3 columns. Okay, so we have 3 columns in here or there. So I'll just add that in. I now have a full width 3 columns row with then the 3 columns added in it. So it uses row and stack, not columns. So, and then I got that in place. I'll save it. So I'll create a new menu. And let's see here. I will just click into the menu. I think somewhere in here I could create a new. How about, okay, right here. Create new menu. So it's empty. I have not given it a name. That name I believe is under here. Header 4. Custom nav. That's what I'm going to call this. So it is empty. So let's see here. I have to click the page link. This is kind of here. I just want to add the page. For instance, start writing host. I have to add page link, host. I don't have a host. I'll add something else instead. How about product page number 8? And then another page. Let's see here. How about product page number 7? And then page link. See, I don't remember the names of the pages, so I want to scroll a lot more in here. I'm just seeing 3 pages here. I would like to see a lot more pages. So let's see. How about? I think I have about page. About. Okay, we have product page 5. I'll add that. 5, 7, and 8. I'm not able to see all of it, just somewhat. So I'll just drag this to the top here. And a search block. Search block. Search. Okay, we have a search block. I believe that, okay, we have the menu. And the thing is, which menu will this now show? Oh, so I can click it. I'm able to click it and just going to see. I see the 7 is on the bottom, so I'll just drag this up here. So it shows up like this. Okay. So can I can center the items. Okay, that's good. Next is create a reusable block with a call to action. So we're in a news page. How about cover block? About a cover, we'll add image. This will be a call to action. Full site. Buttons. And this will be product 5. Product 6. And product 8, if I remember correctly. Let's see here. Add a link. Product 5. 5. Okay, we'll just products. Let's see, 6. So this is a lot easier. Now I can scroll through a lot more pages here. I say right product. Okay, we're at problem 6, and then we have product 8. 8. Okay. So actually, I could have used patterns for this. I could have just added, for instance, I'm going to click something else then. Patterns. I could do call to action. And here are then some links. I could add something like this. This looks really nice. I'll just click it and see what it looks like. And here we have it below. But I will just kind of use these, save it. So what I was going to do then, I'm going to add this as a reusable blocks, create usable block, and call to action. Call to action. I'm going to call just reuse. So we now have that as a reusable block. It kind of gets cramped. I would like this to be seen full width as it was earlier before being created as a reusable block. And this is then cramped smaller. It changes the width. Okay, so we'll save that. And next is then to use Command H. It says use Command K tool to invoke the command center to ensure both the new footer template and the reusable block with the call to action exists across the page template and single template. I have no idea how to do that, so I'm going to skip that part. So next up is, I'm going to put on pause for a moment. Okay, I'm on 12 minutes. This is taking more time than I really wanted to take. So next is up is adding the about page. So we have pages, and we have done the, let's see, about. Where is the about? So this is real nice. I'm able to scroll down here, searching for I don't know why these show up under pages. Manage all pages. I'm not really sure why this is like that. So we have it about. So this is real nice. It doesn't have a featured image. So here it'd be nice to actually click into it here and add the featured image as if I would click into the about page and on the right sidebar did so. So this is really nice. It says published 2 months ago, about, and then the page uses a page template, parent, top level words, time to read, last modified. So I click the pencil. I can probably just click into it like that, and it will open up and we'll see it about page like so. So I'll just click into it to add I'm in the about page. This is a post content. So I'm here. How do I don't want to edit the template. I just want to add a featured image here to this site. Post content. Can I go in here and add it doesn't look like I'm able to access the about featured image in here, so it looks like I have to exit and go into the page here instead. About, let's see if that's the correct one. Yes, it looks like it. So here I get up these different areas here. I would like to add in the featured image for about. We'll just add that in there. Okay, so then next up is then go into appearance themes, or actually editor, and the page template. Should I go into pages? about. We'll do that. I'm trying to hurry up a little bit here. So we have that in there. I cannot modify it from here. We see this image. So we'll just click into it, and I will edit this template for the about page in all pages. So we're now in the pages template. We'll click back here. Let's see, about page. I'm in the page about. Can I go forward again? No. Edit template. Okay, we're in the page template. Here in the page and a template. Okay, so we're going to add then the featured image. Featured post featured image. So that should be in place. I want it to be more like the cover block, being able to use or a mix of cover or featured image. A lot of settings should be the same. Okay, so click here and go to the contact page. Contact. Okay, it didn't show up initially, but here it is. I'm in the contact page. And I was supposed to just kind of free to contact page, yes. Email and phone number, home address, etc., etc. Just kind of some contact information. Click W. Clicking the W, but the site is slow. I should probably just kind of reset the whole site. So I'll just open this instead. And find the pages section. Add a new draft. Portfolio. So we're adding then a portfolio. And this is then portfolio page. Is this locked, or doesn't look like I can do anything in here? Do I have to open it? Oh, it is locked. Post content. How do I unlock it then? Do right click? So okay, that's weird. Seems useful, but it's just kind of strange right now. Okay, so this page is then in draft mode. I can't really see it anywhere in here. So we'll just kind of, it says draft here. Can I publish it from here? I cannot click featured image. It would be nice to actually have this interactive then. So I'll go back and just leave this, and let's see if we have a draft page or portfolio. And we have that. So I'll just do a quick edit and published. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video right now because there are more steps, but this seems like a good place to stop.